Question is 10.2. What is the shape of a wavefront in each of the following cases? First is light diverging from a point source. So students, if the light is diverging from a point source, then the diverging, so the wavefront will be क्या होगा? Diverging, or we can say spherical wavefront, diverging wavefront. Wavefront. This is a source of light, diverging wavefront. This is called as spherical wavelet. Spherical wavefront. Second case, students, in case the light emerging out of a convex lens when a point source is placed at its focus. So students, S is a source from which a light comes, and a convex lens is placed. So students, what do convex lens? This becomes as a parallel. So the rays becomes as a parallel. So this is becomes a plane wavefront. क्या हो जाएगा students? As a plane wavefront. Plane wavefront. And third, in ask the portion of a wavefront of a light from a distance star intercepted by the earth. So students, if we see that a sun is very far away and the light rays is coming out, so let very far distance away a small part. So students, here let a small part, then the light rays as a for this is a plane wavefront. क्या हो जाएंगी? plane waves हो जाएंगी. For far distance, the rays falling on a small surface area will be assumed as a plane wavefront. So plane wavefront fall हुआ.